Alright, so I'm going to show you how to graph these functions that are right here in Excel using scatter plots. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to program an X value. I just started typing in from -10 to 10 and drag and drop. I'll show you what I did. Delete. Alright, we'll go here. We'll go -10, -9, and it will figure it out. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to press equals to get Excel to do the math, and we're going to program this box so that I have the function and the X value. So I'm going to go parentheses, I'm going to select my X value, and I'm not going to lock it because I'm going to be dragging and dropping. Don't forget you have to put signs in. -7, enter. All right, and now what we're going to do is we're just going to drag this down and drop it. And that'll give us all of the stats. Now, I'll get to the cubic in a second, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select A and B, columns A and B, and I'm going to insert a chart. Where's my fast? Where is the fast insert chart? There's usually a fast button. Oh well. Insert. That's what I'm looking for. Scatter. Now see how it is definitely taking on a quadratic shape? I am going to click on my data and I'm going to right click and I'm going to add a trend line. Now notice that trend line defaults to linear. We don't want linear. What we're going to do is we're going to click polynomial. And this is an order 2 polynomial because it's degree 2, because it's x squared. So you click that polynomial and you have the graph for your x squared plus 3x minus 7. Now let's look at the cubic. I'm going to do the same thing again. Equals 5 times parentheses -10 to the third power minus 6 times -10 plus 7 times -10. And then we're going to drag and drop again. Now I'm going to select column A, press Control, and select column C. We're going to go back to Insert Charts, Scatter, and now we have a cubic graph. I'm going to move this over. And we're going to draw the trend line on this guy. Add trend line. Oh, crap. All right, trend line, polynomial. This is an order 3 polynomial. And see how that maps directly onto the graph and onto the model. So that's how you do it in Excel. You can do this in Desmos as well, but being flexible with Excel and knowing how to do math in Excel will make you very marketable beyond this class. Doesn't matter what major you're in.